This Amazon expandable container house is a versatile and modern solution designed for a wide range of applications. This new release container home is ideal for various purposes, including general housing, staff dormitories, security rooms, temporary offices, market stalls, warehouses, and carports. The frame material is made from galvanized steel, ensuring durability and stability. The walls are constructed from fireproof and waterproof sandwich panels, offering excellent protection and insulation, though these can also be customized to your specific needs. The house is available in various sizes, including 20-foot, 30-foot, and 40-foot options, and can be configured as a single or double-story structure. Customers can choose from standard colors such as white, black, yellow, or gray, with the option for complete color customization. The interior layout is flexible, offering anywhere from 1 to 5 rooms, which can also be tailored to individual preferences. A key feature of the expandable container house is its customization support. This product can be fully customized to meet your specific requirements, whether for layout, materials, or aesthetics. This Prefab Tiny home is specifically designed for space optimization, providing a practical and efficient layout that maximizes usable space. The expandable container house is suitable for both temporary or permanent use, offering a flexible solution for various customer needs. Furthermore, its compact design during transit contributes to low transportation costs, making it an economical choice for customers. Please check the link in the description for more info. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.